you're still using Notion like a glorified note-taking app, you're wasting its real potential. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use a Notion template that actually works. Whether you're managing a business, writing content, or organizing your life, no fluff, just smart systems that you can steal. People don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because their systems suck. A good Notion template can replace 5 different apps, gives you clarity, and makes you consistent. By the end of this video, you'll have your own powerful system running inside Notion. So let's jump into it. So first things first, in the home section, click on a new tab, create a new page. And you'll have to start here, the structure. Every powerful template starts with a clear goal. Is it a content planner, a second brain, or even a client dashboard? Decide that first. I'm going to use it for my YouTube video at the title of whatever. I'm going to use it for my YouTube video ideas. So for that, I'll just click enter. By clicking this plus icon, you can add a lot of things here. From toggle list, bullet points, numbers, heading, you can add a lot of things here. And by the way, you can even connect your other app link if you want, like Trello, Google Docs, Dropbox, whatever you have using. So at first, I'll add an icon, Ispan. Yeah, for YouTube, this is good. Add a cover. You can add your own channel cover right here if you want. You can use whatever you want if you have any. After that, you can create a navigation bar using text plus emojis, like in case I want to add some toggle list, in because I'm making this for YouTube scripts idea, that's why I'm explaining this like that. But you can apply it on any of your idea you have. The concepts are same, so you don't have to worry about it. So just in case I can now add some mini bullet points here like this. Bullet points, right? I can upload here my ideas, what key points, like whatever I want to read in the video. I can use this toggle for decluttering. Don't design first, think the flow first. How will you actually use this daily? What will be the use case of this template for you? So at number 2 is database masterclass. Here's where 90% of people mess up. They treat databases like spreadsheets, but in Notion, databases are apps. Like, suppose I'll name this content calendar, post calendar to it. So here you can add new cards, whatever you upload, like this. I will Da Vinci. Yes. Okay. Here I can add some AI summaries, text, numbers, checkbox, whatever I want. And there are a hell lot of things to do, even some GitHub also. Okay, I'll just like this. You can control your workflow. You can set your personal targets like this. You can even add this checkbox system like this if you want. And if you want the link of this habit tracker template, just watch this video. I have provided the link there. By the way, the fourth section is designing fast. Clean design is not luxury, it's usabilities. You want to open your template immediately and feel not overwhelmed. That's why I always prefer the template should be as simple as possible. Use headings and dividers, limit colors to 2, don't use overwhelming a lot of colors, add relevant icons and cover images, like as you have already saw. Keep the top part visual and the bottom part functional. Think of it like a dashboard, top for decisions, bottom for execution. Notion is not about being aesthetic, it's about being intentional. One smart template can save your hours every week. If you found this helpful, drop a like so I know how to make more like this. And if you're building your own template, drop the link in the comments. I might feature it. I'll go build your system, not for productivity, but for clarity.